Hi friends, it's me, Junel Acabo, and tonight I want to share something I had to unlearn and relearn from our recently activity. So let's dive in. Initially, our team focused on solving rapid population in the Philippines through artificial population with a genetic template. It sounded innovative, but here's what I had to unlearn is innovation or prototype is not just about having most futuristic idea, but making ideas practical and impactful with the current limitations. So we shifted our focus to deforestation, a crisis we could actually address. And here's what I learned is solving real-world problems is not just about big ideas, but identifying what can be done to create change. By shifting our focus, I learned that progress happens when we align innovation with visibility. The real challenge is not just to think outside the box, but to make sure the box itself is built on a strong foundation of practicality and sustainability. So, what have you unlearned and relearned lately? Share your thoughts below and like, share, subscribe. See you in the next vlog.